Now we will reading about the conventional sources. And the conventional sources, first topic we covered, that is coal. And second conventional sources, petroleum is there, which is exhaustible energy, है ना. तो petroleum or a mineral oil is derived from the organic materials trapped in a layers of sedimentary rocks, where it is found in the sedimentary rocks. And important oil fields of the world in the important oil field of the world along the margins of young fold mountains in the coastal area and in the offshore regions. The distribution of mineral oil is highly uneven in the world. As I already told you, the distribution of these mineral oils were different in the different places. Means कहीं पे ज़्यादा मिलता है, कहीं पे कम मिलता है. So petroleum are also found in the sedimentary rock, and this is located in the fold mountain region in the coastal areas, and this will be uneven in the world. Mineral oil are very much create importance in the economic system. They support in the economic system very largely. A variety of large products like petrol, diesel, kerosene, wax, plastics, lubricants are obtained about the crude mineral oil and other byproducts of these raw materials for chemical fertilizer, synthetic fibers, drugs. Thus it is called black gold. Petroleum coal, we also called it black gold. Why it is called black gold? Because they will be used for chemical fertilizers and synthetic fibers में भी यूज़ किया जाता है and drugs में भी यूज़ किया जाता है, and a variety of the products will be produced by them like diesel, petrol, wax, plastic. This will be the product which is used for in our regular life. About 65% of total reserved mineral oil is found around the Parisian Gulf. कहाँ पे पाया जाता है? इस प्लेस पे पाया जाता है 65% ऑफ पेट्रोलियम. बट द मेन पेट्रोलियम फील्ड ऑफ द कंट्री कहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा पाया जाता है कंट्री में? सऊदी अरेबिया, ईरान, इराक, कुवैत, यूनाइटेड अरब, क्वेटर, Bahrain. These are the areas where this minerals can be found easily and very in large quantity. Okay. In India, till independence, mineral oils are drilled only in Assam. But before independence, these minerals will be found in Assam only. But now this can be found in many places. Now many new areas of Gujarat, of the Mumbai coast, and in the deltas of the Krishna and Godavari rivers will also be discovered and developed to develop this mineral oil. There we will found out this mineral oil. However, India's total petroleum प्रोडक्शन इज़ फार लेस देन देयर नीड्स. बहुत कम है, जितना उसका यूज़ है उससे बहुत कम उसका सप्लाई है. नाउ अनदर मिनरल ऑयल दैट इज़ नेचुरल गैस. नेचुरल गैस में अकर्स इन एसोसिएशन विद पेट्रोलियम एंड इट में अकर अलोन. पेट्रोलियम के साथ भी प्रोड्यूस किया जा सकता है, पेट्रोलियम से अलग भी. एंड दिस लार्ज field of gases offer no oil, and in the past large quantities of natural gas from oil well were wasted. बहुत सारा wasted हो चुका natural gases का, and this gas was either allowed to escape in air or will be fully burnt off. Natural gas is widely used as domestic and industrial fuel. किस लिए यूज़ होता है natural gases का? For domestic मतलब घर की गैस जो आप सिलेंडर्स यूज़ करते हो उसके लिए, या इंडस्ट्रीज़ की फ्यूल के लिए. USA is the largest producer and consumer of the natural gas. Other major producing countries are Russia, Netherlands, China, Iran and UK. Okay, सबसे ज़्यादा कहाँ प्रोड्यूस होता है? USA में, then other Russia, Netherlands, China, Iraq and UK. नेचुरल गैस इज़ फास्ट बिकमिंग एन इम्पॉर्टेंट सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. तो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि आज की डेट में कोई भी घर बिना गैस के नहीं रह सकता, है ना. तो द मेन प्रोडक्शन एरिया फॉर दिस नेचुरल गैसेज आर मुंबई, गुजरात, आसाम, तमिलनाडु, त्रिपुरा. नेचुरल गैस इज़ ऑल्सो डिस्कवर्ड इन कृष्णा एंड गोदावरी डेल्ट्स. यहाँ पे भी पाया जाता है नेचुरल गैस. ओके. नेक्स्ट पावर रिसोर्सेज इज हाइडल पावर. हाइडल मीन्स वाटर से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को जो प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है. सो हाइडल पावर इज़ वेरी मच एडवांटेज एज अ फॉसिल फ्यूल. एज वी ऑल नो, अपन की इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जलती है ना. लाइट्स विल बी देयर इन द एवरी हाउस. सो हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज प्रोड्यूस बाय फोर्स ऑफ बॉइलिंग वाटर, and the water can fall naturally by building up dam or rivers or canals. The falling water is canalized to enter a turbine and moving blades turn the generator to produce electricity. Water coming out the turbine is used for irrigation, and this water is used for irrigation purpose. And many developed countries like USA, Canada, means these places are there where has developed hydro power projects were set up in these areas. In India, large number of multi-purpose river valley projects has been made to generate electricity. Some of them like Bhakra, Nangal, हीराकुंड, दामोदर वैली से प्लेसेस हैं जहाँ पे आपके हाइडल पावर स्टेशन को सेटअप किया गया है इंडिया में, है ना. तो दिस हाइडल पावर स्टेशन वर बी वेरी यूजफुल.